Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Veena from My Dream My Destination. So today I'm here to give you certain updates about my life, what's happening in these few months due to corona and all the situation here. I'm sorry for the birds chirping because I'm sitting just opposite to the balcony, so there will be little bit of disturbance. Anyways, it's a good feeling also sitting opposite to the balcony and hearing the chirping of these birds. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first update I wanted to give you is that I lost my job during the previous month. That is, I got a mail from the HR. Actually, I did not receive it yet. But the whole scenario was that my reporting manager just sent me a WhatsApp message saying that I have got a mail. Just check your inbox. So that's a mail from the HR is what he told me, and he just sent me a screenshot of the mail as well. The problem there was that I was not able to access my office mail ID, and the second mail ID they had mentioned over there was my personal mail ID, which is the Yahoo one. So in that I did not receive it in my inbox, the Yahoo mail ID which they had sent. I did not receive it. There was some internal server error or something like that. So I'm yet to receive the letter officially, but yes, I have been terminated from my service of Educom. That's the update about my office. So currently I'm just at home, also I'm not planning to look for a job very soon, because I'm just waiting for the situation of this entire corona thing to get over so that I can start looking for a job. Because if I start searching for a job and I start working, then the risk of getting this corona is very high, as already my husband is going on alternate days. So I'm just thinking that I will take a gap for some time until the situation gets better, and then I will start searching the job. Meanwhile, I'm planning to continue my YouTube, and hopefully I can upload as many videos as I can within the limits of my home, and whatever I can I will do. That is what my decision is right now. The second update is again regarding the corona situation. So my husband's colleague, some of them have got positive results, that is corona positive. So it was like they did not have much symptoms. It's like one had light cold, one had light cough, and some of them had fever. That's what the condition was. So no one was sure that they had actually corona. But then when one got tested, then the chain started to get heavier, and that's how many of them started getting positive. So most of them have been tested positive, which is a bad news again. The thing is that we haven't had any symptoms till now. So the higher authorities are also telling that you can test once you have some symptoms. So we do not have any symptoms as of now. So that's the second update. And also regarding that, we have started to take hot water. We have started to use certain tips in our daily routine, like taking steam and gargling for 2 times at least a day. Also we are taking intake of vitamin C, that is through you can take it through lemon juice. So you can add, maybe if you like it, you can add salt and turmeric in that, and you can have it. I like to have my lemon juice as it is, like with sugar only. So sometimes I have it with turmeric, otherwise I have it with sugar itself. But generally lemon juice is very good. So we are having that. So that's what we are taking for precaution basis. Yeah, the husband is still going on alternate days. So that's the second update, and coming to the third update, which is again regarding corona. That is, there is another case positive in our own flat. That is, in the first floor, one of our residents have got corona positive, and it's like it's a condition where you have started realizing that this condition has come to your doorsteps and there is nothing much you can do. So the scared phase has reduced, and we are taking our precautions, and we have started to cope with this situation actually. So there is nothing much to be scared about right now, because earlier everybody was scared to hell. And I think this entire situation has helped us to calm ourselves down, and we have started taking things on a positive side than the negative side of it. I think that's what ultimately you need to do. And yeah, we are not scared of corona as of now. Yes, it's a life threatening case, it's a life threatening scenario, but what else can we do? We do not have any medicines, we do not have any vaccination for this. So, what we can do is take as much precautions as possible. Use your mask, use sanitizers, clean your hands with soap or hand wash, and start using these tips what I told you, like intake of hot water, using sanitization, using lemon on your daily basis, and start taking steams, start gargling. All these things will help you in the long run, and maybe this is not the cure, but it will definitely help you to prevent your cough, cold, everything. And that will help you to not to go to that extreme level where the coronavirus is affecting your lungs. So we can prevent it if it's in your throat or it's in your nose. We can prevent it then and there itself. So start using these tips, and I hope that everybody is safe there. And please do let me know if you are safe there and how are things there. Are you going outside? And the condition here in Gurgaon is that the lockdown has reduced to minimum, and people have started to be in their normal lives. People have started moving out on a regular basis. There are plenty of cars now, and yeah, that's the condition here as of now. So that's the update, guys, and I think that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you all for watching, and my prayers are always there with each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being in my life. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and I love you always.